Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to block your phone numbers or your contacts on your Android phone. So to know how to do this, you need just follow us step by step. So first, what you need to do is to go to this sign of phone on your Android phone. As you see, we click here. In this page, you will find recent calls, as you see, and you will also find here contacts. So for example, if you want to block your recent numbers, for example, you can choose any number you want here and you can block these numbers. For example, like this, you can go to this sign here, this list. After that, you will find all calls from this number, and here in this page you will find this sign of block, and then you will find here this message of you will no longer receive any calls or messages from these contacts. So you will click here in the sign to block this contact, as you see. So when you are blocking this number, you will not be longer to get any messages or any thing about these contacts. Also here, if you want to change any contacts, you can go to this sign. For example, here in this window also you'll find this sign of more, and you will find here this page or this sign of block contact, and you click here again on block to block these contacts, as you see. So if you enjoy watching this video, and if this video help you, just don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.